Ndichikutambirai zvekare pano padzirare 263 pano pachenge ndichikuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Saka kana uchiri munyu one pa this YouTube channel kusubscribe mahara utenda on the notification bell so that patinoramba tichidzoka neamwe manews updates uchange uchingozvionera. Vadikani sekuzwa kwamunhu zvita nyaya dzepanapa ndinoya nadzo ndakadzibatanidza. Why nchiyo nadzo ndakadzibatanidza ndenge tichiitira kuti tiwane manews updates akati wandei pa same video. But ndichamataura ese ndine two updates pa same video. Ndichamataura ese vazhinji majaira kundiona ndichiroera maupdates aya ndiri mumba ndakatimbobuda pari panze tiratidze kuti tiri kushanda ende tiri kuweka hapana nguva yekuzorora kana tiri pabasa. First update mapurisa handizozive kana muri mapurisa but muri kuabuse mutemo. Waindati muri kuabuse mutemo, pana truck driver uyu amiswa nemapurisa achinzi hanzi pane zvawakanganisa pa roadblock. So that muone video pedza kuona video utazonofika comment section iye anga achiti kana muri mapurisa mune utsinye maabuse mutemo but kana musiri mbavha dzawanda dzikunyepera kuita mapurisa. Kuti mupedze kuona video iroro ichenjedzo kune vanofamba nemota, ichenjedzo kune vanodrive matruck, ichenjedzo kune vanofamba nemabhazi. So that uone video pedza kuona video vandarova ya Trevor Dongo vatavharise edu maupdates edu. But apa pakapa kuti muongorere video iri motaura kuti mapurisa echokwaderi kana kuti matsotsi imbavha. That will need this video.
So right now, guys, there is a car behind me that is pulling me out. I don't know what do they want, but actually, let's see. Let's see what do they want.
Hey, family.
How are you?
How's it, my brother?
I'm good.
You just put a camera on your head.
No.
I see this is the camera.
Yeah, I'm always like this.
Listen very carefully. What was happening with them?
Wait.
Inside the door. Yeah.
Nothing was happening.
What was happening at the
Wait, there by the roadblock. I was just parked. Yeah, I just parked. You wanna know what I was doing? Who are you?
At the top.
Let me see your ID. Then I can go now because I'm afraid I'm not allowed to do what I'm doing right now. To do what?
I know, get inside your truck.
To do what then?
There's a roadblock again.
So present yourself. Where is the ID?
I'm the park of police.
Where is your ID?
I told you.
So what is my problem? What is my fault? What did I do wrong? What is the charge? Yes. What did I wrong? Why did you pull me out?
Listen very carefully, brother. If I ask you something, you understand? You have to answer the question. First,
But I can't be doing like that because the people who stopped me, they were responsible law enforcers.
At first, okay?
Yeah.
You have to be ID.
Yes.
Make a return, okay? You're wearing your plate.
That's the normal procedure. You must go through them. All right. These guys, they just pull me over. They just pulled me out. I don't know why. I don't know the reason. Number one, they can't present themselves. What is the ID? No ID. I'm a traffic cop. Let's go to Booby. What's wrong with you? What was I doing? Where do you get in? That's the normal procedure that I gave to pass through VID. So why will you be coming after me? Okay, I was told by the police. So what? What is my charge? That's what I've asked them. They can't present that to me, and they're pulling me out, and they're lucky enough that I tolerate them because I pull out. I'm not even allowed to pull out in this bush. What is this? And I guess these guys, they think that they're gonna take chances with me while they are messing with the wrong person. That's wrong. If you're a police officer, you present yourself, we see you, then you charge me. There is nothing that I did wrong. I'm just driving. The police stopped me. Should I refuse? No. That was a roadblock. They stopped me. That's it. So maybe, I don't know, maybe they are going to catch me at Booby. Let's see what happens when we reach Booby. We are heading to Booby. So right now we are in Zimbabwe. This is currently happening.
Next update imbori next update inyaya ya Trevor Dongo. Trevor Dongo tonziya achipa musambo werudo. Ende anogona kuimba masongs erudo. Zvisinei achimba musambo werudo, akazonyanya urudo rwacho. Akadhumanisa vasikana muflat. Adhumanisa vasikana muflat maaigara. Trevor Dongo akabva apisirwa dheni. Izvi zvakaitika nezuro manheru. Imba yakapiswa yaTrevor Dongo. Izvezvi imba yakatopiswa. Maigara muflat imomo makapiswa. So doti muone video pa vasikana ava vaka pane one wanga ikaengeja nomwe wanga asina. Zvisinei abva avadhumanisa imba yakapiswa. So doti muone video apedza kuona video tauri ndana wrong. Trevor Dongo here kana kuti mababy ekupisa dheni. Much love.
Imba one. Mosoma yoruguro woshe so.
But jinanu tichi. Ano jambira backup ga. O manya chi. O manya. And at the other side.
I saw a chest, but I'm boyfriend. Lucky don't stop him, I'm telling you. Serious. I'm happy some bed, I'm going to serious. Imagine Papa, Trevor Dongo. Trevor Dongo, yeah, whatever. He's like to look at Trevor Dongo. So I'm going to tell people, as long as you are standing on Mumba, I just stand on the bank, feel like it.